can copy standards from one project to another with project standards. This is useful when transferring system family files and project settings that you may have used on previous projects to a new project. Some of the items that you can transfer are shown below: system family types, global parameters, line weights, materials, view templates and object styles, annotation styles, color fill schemes and fill patterns, and print settings. In this particular model, you can see that we have a number of different system families set up. So here we have some basic wall styles already configured, as well as some ceilings, roofs, floors, and so on. Our intention here is to copy some of these wall styles from this project into a new project. So let's start by creating our new project. Click File, then New, and then Project. In the New Project dialog box, let's select Structural Template, and then click OK. So our new project has now been started. To begin the process of transferring project standards, select the Manage ribbon, and then select Transfer Project Standards. In the Select Items to Copy dialog box, you'll notice here that we could select the file that we're copying from. There are only two files open, so consequently we've only got one choice here, but of course we could have several models open in Revit. Therefore, we'd need to select the correct one to copy from. What we're then seeing is the various different styles and standards listed in the dialog box. I'm going to begin by checking None, and then we'll select Wall Types. Let's go ahead and select OK. Here, Revit's detected that we've already got certain wall types set up, so I'm going to say here, New Only. Okay, so you can see that we've got some warnings down here. So Revit's just informing us that we've already got a family called mReveal Brick Course, so it's just renamed that to mReveal Brick Course 1. And of course we've got another warning in here as well about a conflict, but Revit will just rename those with a sequential number. So let's now take a look in our new project. If we open up the Families folder, and then we open up Walls, and then Basic Wall, we can now see all of those new styles of wall have been copied through. Next, we transfer some view templates. On the Manage ribbon, again, select Transfer Project Standards. In the Select Items to Copy dialog box, check None. And here we'll see View Templates. Let's go ahead and select OK. And again here you can see that we've got some duplicate types set up, but they are different. So in this case we're going to overwrite all of these types. OK, and now if we select View and View Templates, and we'll manage the View Templates, we can now see in the View Templates dialog box that we've successfully copied all of our view templates across into this active project. This can be very useful when previous projects have been created and you want to emulate the styles from that previous project. Go ahead and select OK.